If someone promises you can build a $373 a day side hustle without showing your face, without startup capital, and without working 12 hours a day, you should probably be skeptical. Most make money online courses are fluff. They sell you a 2019 dream, charge you $2,000, and leave you with a generic PDF. But two digital operators who have generated billions online, Iman Gajji and Russell Brunson, just opened free registration for a live 5-day event called the AI Secret Summit. In this video, I'm breaking down what's actually being taught, the real proof behind it, and why this specific event starting September 6th is worth blocking off your calendar for. Before we talk about the 5-day schedule, look at the track record. Iman Gajji ran 3 previous versions of this challenge for complete beginners. Event number 1 generated $8.9 million in tracked attendee earnings within 90 days. Event number 2 generated $15 million. Event number 3 generated $31 million. That's over $55.6 million generated by complete beginners who started with zero prior experience, no audience, and no product. One 19-year-old made $111,000 in just 45 days after attending. Why did it work? Because AI erased the 3 biggest hurdles that stop everyday people from making money online: technical skills, paid ads, and showing your face on camera. For this 4th iteration starting September 6th, Iman brought in his own mentor, Russell Brunson. If you don't know who Russell Brunson is, he's the co-founder of ClickFunnels and author of .com Secrets. His frameworks have helped entrepreneurs generate over $10.4 billion online. Combine him with Iman Gajji, who holds every major sales record on WAP, a platform that's processed over $4 billion, and you have 30 years of combined high-level business experience compressed into 5 live days. Here is the breakdown of what you're getting live across the 5 days at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Episode 1, The Best Side Hustle of 2026, How to Partner with Existing Audiences While Staying Completely Invisible Behind the Scenes. Episode 2, The AI Super Employee, How to Make AI Run 90% of the grueling technical setup so the model operates semi-passively. Episode 3, The Untapped Goldmine, Getting Your First Paying Customers Without Running Paid Ads or Spending $1 on Marketing. Episode 4, The $10 Billion Blueprint, Russell Brunson, Simplification of his multi-billion-dollar frameworks into step-by-step beginner blueprints. Episode 5, The Live Build. They are building a complete AI side hustle live on camera, step by step, so you can literally copy and launch yours before the stream ends. Now, what's the catch? Why is this 100% free? It's a high-leverage launch. They give you massive implementable value for free for 5 days because they know a percentage of attendees will want to work with them further down the road. You don't need to buy anything to take these frameworks and build a high-margin cash flow stream. Show up, take notes, steal the frameworks, and execute. Relying on one income stream in 2026 is the single riskiest financial move you can make. The summit starts September 6th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Sessions run about an hour a day, and replays are only available for 24 hours. If you want to build a faceless AI-powered digital business in your spare time, click the first link in the description right now and claim your free ticket before live spots fill up. Lock in your spot, and I see you on the inside.